God, obedient to the Father's will, He leads the way of the cross. We carry the saving cross through the roads of the world, through the valleys of poverty and misery, marching to